Alrighty, you guys. It's looking good now. I got a job interview. Be an electrician. Sorry about that. To be an electrician, and let's hope it goes well. Thanks to my sister and her husband, I was able to get in contact with them. Dang, man, everywhere they're doing construction, landscaping. But yeah, so it's looking good. Yeah. Hopefully, I get the job. They like me, and things work out. I still don't really have a place. I'm gonna try to work things out with Rain, because at the end of the day, when you love somebody, you gotta fucking work at shit, And so, with that said, wish me luck, you guys. I'll do some pool clips and stuff like that. While I have to drive an hour to Pompano right now, so let's hope everything goes well. And yeah. Love this car, bro. Show you how much traffic there is right now. Damn, I look crazy as fuck. But so I'm on job site. It's fucking raining. We got the job. Me and Rain are back together. So I'm gonna be posting up videos a little bit more frequent. Appreciate you guys being patient and understanding. If you give a fuck, cool. If not, welcome. Fucking hopefully you give a fuck, because everybody goes through shit, but we up. You gotta think on the bright side. And my GoPro's crooked as shit. That's hilarious. Yeah, so it's gonna be I'm gonna end the video here for the update. I appreciate you guys sticking with me, all of my subscribers and stuff like that. Nobody dropping off, everybody kind of giving me like a you know, a boost. Like, believe it or not, like the very few comments I get, it actually fucking helps, because I don't know, people just don't give a fuck about anybody anymore, and it's just nice to know that, like, even though we don't know each other like that, like, I'm here for you and you're here for me. Like, that's fucking sick. Like, that energy is what we need. So with that being said, I might go to the homie's crib after work. It's freaking raining right now, and so, like, I'm trying not to be lazy, but I gotta do a water pump, little billet piece that my boy Vice City Nightcrawler gave me, so shout out to him. And I might sell this other piece that because he bought me a red one, and he bought me a silver one, and he bought me a red one to go with the stuff in my engine bay. So I'm gonna hook one of my homies up with the silver one. So again, thanks to Vice City Nightcrawler, because fucking, if it wasn't for him, half the shit on this car wouldn't be done. What else? Let me flip the screen. So I installed the original screen on this because I just like how this sits better, and then at the same time, like, I have the communication to the vehicle. Because if you guys don't know this, the Android screens, if you don't get the one specifically that had navigation, you won't be able to use the vehicle communication, because there's like a 4-prong optical cable that runs from the I forget what this shit's called, the iDrive, my bad, the iDrive to the screen. And so if you don't have that compatibility on the back of the Android screens, you won't be able to communicate to the car, like seeing tire pressure, oil levels, maintenance stuff, shit like that. So yeah, I went back to that screen. So if anyone needs the Android screen, I have that. I'll sell it to you guys for the low, you know. Gives me extra money to have for food or car parts, mainly car parts. Just kidding. But yeah, so this is how the interior is looking so far. Yeah, don't mind the mess. We're actually gutted. I got a downpipe I have to make an exhaust for. I have I also bought a cold air intake with the money from working. And then, you know, Rain's been a super supportive girlfriend, and she's been like letting me buy shit that honestly, like, is gonna help maintain the car. Like, I gotta get silicone hoses now, because like the silicone hoses run the car that much cooler. And honestly, working on the car, like, I literally have to wait like 30 minutes for that fucking engine bay to cool down just a little bit. Like, it gets insanely hot in there. So yeah, with that being said, thanks for tuning in, guys. Shout out to Drift HQ, got a banner. Yeah, your boy's gonna be sliding with a DCT. What's up? And so yeah, love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, what up, guys? So before I end the video, actually, I have to do I did the belt install, and then come to find out the pulleys are still bad, so I ordered some pulleys, and then this is what it looks like. All right, so I loosened up the top tensioner because that's what holds the housing in. Long story short, you should do the bottom one first, just so you can break it loose and have tension on it. But yeah, so these are the new pulleys. All right, and the trash boys sealed up. I'll show you how to install these. So yeah, no one's done this for the N55, or at least for N55 for the 135s. So I'm gonna take this out and show you what's up and how the belt goes. All right, so I got the pulleys done. I can't tell if you can see it, but down there, yeah. I'm gonna start the car now. See where we're at. Hey, self bringing down windows. Yeah, I gotta clean my car. All right. First things first, gotta crack open the beer. ASMR. Silent IPA, get you right. Now, put the doohickey in the thingy-majig. Hopefully the belt don't pop off. Belt just sitting like that don't look right for me. Nah, that shit's gonna come on. It's moving way too much. And of course it starts raining. Be right back. That's it. Alright, so I got my JDM fangirl fanning all the fucking flies away from my face. But yeah, so apparently that's fucking normal. So whatever, Pulleys are done, car's done, shit's looking alright. So yeah, I'm gonna just end it here because I was gonna explain shit, but apparently that's just how it goes. Bad YouTuber shit? Maybe. I don't fucking know. You tell me, put it in the comments. Is that normal? Oh, shit pile. No copyrights here, no copyrights. No, but we decided to go get Chick-fil-A breakfast because, god damn it, I love Chick-fil-A. Even though they're conservative as fuck. This is land of my people. No, you don't understand, because like when I moved down to Miami, like there was like one Chick-fil-A, and it was like in Doral. That was like the first one. Or actually no, the first Chick-fil-A I think was in like Hialeah. Or it was Hialeah and Doral were like the only two, so you have one in like buttfuck over here and one in buttfuck over there. And so when my mom lived by like Miami Gardens where I'm working, there's one Chick-fil-A like out there.
Yeah.
And so like that's where we used to go. She used to drive far so I would go to Chick-fil-A. Cause she's like, yeah, you wanna go to Chick-fil-A? And I'm like, yeah, fuck it. Let's go. That shit would be far as fuck from everything. Alright. Why you can hear the breakup? As my city nightcrawler would say, orgasms. Shit sounds so sick. I can't wait to do the downpipe so you can hear that. If you want, when we hit 107, you can tell them to start prepping it.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
At least I know the pulleys are working right now. Because the thing is, it trips me the fuck out because on the pulleys, like, there's literally like a tooth of the belt that's like off type shit. So like, I don't know if like I have to get the back housing keys, but that shit is expensive as fuck. But I have to because as well, like the tensioner or whatever, it's like still kind of moving. Oh my gosh! Behind one dum-dum, behind another dum-dum. Okay, how do people not get motion sickness driving with me? Because I'm a smooth criminal.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Like that race video you sent me.
I like that whoops. I'm addicted to the whoops. Alright, you don't understand my life. I can't get enough of the... I love when it, like, you hear the breakup though from the Turbo Smart, because it's like keeping like even pressure type shit. It's just so sick. Honestly, 10 out of 10, best fucking mod you can ever do for stock turbos on a 135. I have QK. Dude, look at fucking numbnuts right here. Look at numbnuts over here. Like, there's no... Come on, guys. Like, what the fuck is this cumfuckery? Dude, let me pass you, motherfucker, please. Nope, other way. These are normal people's drivers. As one would say, fucking bots. Look at all these NPCs. Hey, not for real, these are unoccupied vehicles because people behind them shit are brainless as fuck. Oh my gosh, you might want to hit the water pipe. Pet it now, so it's not. Yeah, we got it. Touchdown. Triplets. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got that business. Wait, make sure everything's in there, though.